Hiya, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Rosie Henshaw, and if you're new here, then welcome. It's lovely to meet you. And if you're coming back, then thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. Just grab yourselves a nice cup of tea and some snacks, because today's video is a clean with me video, a whole full house clean for a family of 6. Please excuse some of the bits because it is a little bit messy, but hopefully you'll enjoy.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water, but now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. Cause you can't even hold your own, but you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends, tell them that you're gonna be late, cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. Yeah. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. There's been a whole lot of crying, whole lot of trying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying.
So now we've finished Albert's nursery, I'm going on to the boys' bedroom. So this is the last child's bedroom that we're going to be staying today. We're going to be skipping out Millie's one. Millie's will be getting cleaned in private, but I'm not going to be showing it on the camera. She's like a little teenager now, wants to keep her stuff all private, which is fair enough. And she's got lots of pictures of her and her little friends and stuff up on our gallery wall. So we will be doing this off the camera next, but you obviously won't be seeing that part in case you're wondering where her bedroom's gone. now I finished the top part of the house, it was time to have a little bit of lunch. Now there's been about an hour gap here because Albert's had a little nap, but we had a little carbonara for lunch, and now he's playing with a few toys while I crack on with the cleaning again downstairs. I just wanted to show you a little up close of my table. So there's a few little stains from dinner last night, and these are little grease patches. I find a little bit of fairy liquid really helps get the grease up. I am going to be using a little bit of this pink stuff as well to get the little stains out from dinner. I find this works really well without being too abrasive. And then I just go in with my standard cleaner that I use all the time. The pink stuff and the fairy liquid is just an extra step that I'll do, like maybe every now and again, but usually I'll just use this cleaner. And I'll also use this to go over Albert's little booster seat, and also to go over the chairs as well. The cleaner I'm using is just a little homemade one. It's just a citrus essential oils that I got off of Amazon, and I added this to some water in my little glass bottle. I find it really good to clean with, and it smells absolutely amazing. I'm trying to not use any harsh chemicals indoors, really trying to cut back on all that kind of stuff.
Would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only get this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. I didn't by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wanna know, would you love me better if I go?
I just wanted to quickly show you an up close, because I get told very often on my YouTube that the sides look pristine, but actually you just can't see from that far away. I get a lot of tea stains on these sides, but I find the pink stuff works really well for these, and yet again it's not too abrasive, but it works perfectly without any bleach. this bit I had to keep in because it really made me giggle. So Albert's got this obsession with keep turning the Hoover off every time I walk slightly away from the Hoover. And it does become quite tedious, but it's actually quite hilarious. And he waits until I'm not looking to do it. And then he'll smile again. Also, just letting you know, these are just the Lidl tabs, laundry tabs, and the laundry comfort as well. Just trying to share as many products that I'm using as I go along. This is the floor cleaner I've been using, literally just one shot of this with some warm water. It's the Fabulosa bicarbonate of soda. I think it's called Winter Angel, and it's lovely. I literally find that it's good enough just to go over my floors just the once. Don't have to go back in spot cleaning or any particular stubborn dirt's getting stuck. The bicarbonate of soda works wonders. So this has been my clean with me full house, guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. I'm just so happy that it's nice and clean now. I've put my little plug-in wax melt warmer on with some really nice scented linen ones in there. I also got myself some fresh flowers, some from the kitchen side and some for the dining table. As you can see, my other ones were dead. Bye guys.